The intent of the workshop is for both burn bosses who are qualified and burn bosses who are working on that qualification to get together and share knowledge and get practice and cross-train with each other to learn about all the ins and outs of not just being a burn boss, but being a fuels manager. So usually those who are going after the burn boss qualification, it's a unique qualification. It's not like on the fire line where you can go and do that task on a wildfire. When you're a burn boss managing prescribed fire and putting prescribed fires together, you often are a land manager as well.
Blackening 60% of the unit. Nice one bit.
So the target audience would be fuel specialists, burn bosses, fuels technicians, and that group, because we're presenting some things that will be beneficial to them about NEPA, the analysis process, the planning, implementation, all of the things that they'll need to be able to increase that pace and scale.
Of course you're going to have impacts to some of them, but you're having impacts by not doing anything, and that's coming.
I think the number one thing that drew me to the workshop was the information that they were wanting to get out to the fuels community. There's a wealth of knowledge here. There's over 400 years of experience to tap into, and to me that's important.
I think that meeting other people that are doing the same job in different places, I think that adds value so that you can hear ideas of how other people are doing things, as well as seeing on the ground, what they've been able to accomplish here on the Fish Lake. I think that's pretty cool. So.
Anyone who is working in fuels and becoming a burn boss those are the folks that are going to have the most knowledge as far as how to navigate all the complex fires that we're dealing with, the increase of population coming and wanting to live in these beautiful places out west. There's a lot of dynamics at play.
I think every region could benefit from doing something like this and making that commitment to their burn bosses and trying to get them the tools that they need, because this one was tailored specifically for what the Region 4 people need, and every region has a little bit different emphasis areas that they need to focus on, and I think PFTC hosting this, and it gets PFTC more exposure to the western forests, and just shows that commitment that the National Training Centers are doing all they can for development of the entire workforce.